We'll work on the health. After the initiation, I wanted first thing to be done is write concepts about health should get into your system. Please understand, I am defining your body. Your body is the vehicle for your dreams and your ornament. That's all. Just these two statements. Your body is vehicle for your dreams. For all your dreams. The dream may be related to relationships or luxury, comforts, joys, experiences, or enlightenment, whatever it may be. Your body is your vehicle for all your dreams and ornament. This is the definition of body. Health means the ability to fulfill all the dreams you are carrying in a very casual way without losing the quality of being an ornament. See, your body should be able to fulfill all the dreams which you are loading on it. Being an ornament for you. It should be an ornament for you, and it should be a vehicle for your dreams. That is what I will define as a health. I can say that this is the most crystal clear definition on health I have ever given. Just in two words, two statements. Your body is vehicle for all your dreams and an ornament for you. If it can fulfill all your dreams, being an ornament means undamaged. If it is fulfilling all your dreams, but it got damaged, it's not health. It should fulfill all your dreams undamaged. That's what I call health. Now, we will dig out all the health engrams you have. Engrams related to health, beauty, grace, or disease, sickness, illness, all that we will dig out. I want you to know basic few facts. Your body gets dismantled and assembled every day. Your intestine replaces itself once in, I think, 3 months. Your liver replaces itself once in 9 months. Even your brain replaces itself once in 1 year. Once in a year. Practically once a year, our whole body replaces itself. Your body gets dismantled and gets assembled every day. First truth. Please listen, later on you can write. This is the first truth. And second, the ideas you carry about you plays a major role in reconstruction of your body. Please understand. Every idea you carry about you plays a major role in reconstruction of your body. Every day, if you feel you are a wrestler, you don't need to do any workout. I challenge. Within 3 months, the body measurements will be different. I am telling you, lazy man's way to build body. You don't need to do anything. Just contemplation. Only thing, one corner of your mind will be barking like a dog. No, no, how can this happen? I am not a wrestler. I can't even move one tumbler. What do you mean by wrestler? Wrestler means, you need to punch people. I only get punched every day. Just shut that dog. You say, that may be fact, but that is not truth. It may be fact now. That does not mean that is going to be truth for tomorrow. I know tomorrow this is going to be the truth. The ideas you add every day about you directly plays a role on your assembling. See, it's like when you get out of your house, if you are going to your office, you will carry files. If you are going to the golf club, you will carry that golf bag. Where you are going, you will carry things necessary for that. Same way, every day when you come out of your deep sleep state, what for you get into the body, you bring that kind of tools and weapons and assemble the body. So every day, the idea you have about you directly plays a major role in assembling your body. Your mind is you. If you change the mind, you are changed. That's all. Please understand. Your mind is you. If your mind is changed, you are changed. Means the new ideas with which your body gets assembled will be naturally new body. Now basically I want you to understand how to build new body. And I wanted to program you for new body. Today and tomorrow I will work only on programming you for new body. Just programming you on for new body. Nothing else. Deeper and deeper and deeper, the ideas about you should become muscle memory. I can tell you, so many people I have healed from so many disorders, diseases, just by changing the idea about themselves. That's all. See, cancer is nothing but you strongly feeling life is bad. That's all. If somehow I am able to make your muscle memory believe life is good, immediately you walk out of cancer. I have seen so many people walked out of cancer. Just if I make their muscle memory believe, hey, life is good. It is not that bad as we think. It's not all corners are against me. But unfortunately, usually people's mind will not believe. So I will not work with the mind. I will work with their muscle memory. Now I am going to do that only. I will give some ideas for your mind, like a brain candy. Let it be chewing. I will work with your muscle memory only. See, all Upanishad is working with your muscle memory. Usually the ideas which I give, your mind will be chewing. Now I gave an idea. Your body is the vehicle for your dreams. Wow, what a definition. Your mind will be sitting with that brain candy. So I will do my job. See, that's all is the whole thing. When you are listening, wow, what a definition. Because this is the perfect definition of a body. Body is the vehicle of all the dreams you carry. Perfect. Your brain will be ornament for you. Wow, yes, it is ornament. It is hanging on me. This is just working with the brain. That is not really what I am doing. That's a brain candy. Really what I wanted to do is, this idea should become your muscle memory, part of you. So that even while you are sleeping, in the dream, if a ghost comes and catches you, you should think, this body is vehicle for my dreams and my ornament. What this ghost can do? See, at those critical crisis, dangerous moments, if you remember these ideas, this has become your muscle memory. How many of you had a very shocking, shivering nightmare or a situation, automatically remembered me in your life, once at least? Then for you guys, I have become muscle memory. Then you don't need to be afraid at all about anything in your life. Already I have been rolled inside you. Like how they, inside the roti they keep the potato and roll it. Means I have been rolled inside you. See, during some nightmare, or some snake chasing you in the dream, or some tiger chasing you in the dream, or some ghost pressing your chest, at that moment, if you are able to remember me for solution, for rescuing you, saving you, I have become your muscle memory. Where unconsciously, even unconsciously, you turn. Same way, these ideas which I am talking now should become your muscle memory. Even in unconscious, you pick up these ideas only for your life. You are able to catch it? Especially these kids. These guys are fortunate because all these ideas will get into their system. Now only they are going to build their body. Best thing is, these ideas should get into the system when you build body. I can say, if you have brought your kids for the engineers, understand, you have done a best thing for your child. You have done a best thing for your child, because all these ideas will be injected into their biomemory. If you notice, they will not use their name. Did you notice? They are going through a special game. You see, just not using the name, they will start witnessing their body. Now what I said, your body is the vehicle for all your dreams. They will be able to realize it. That Ishwar, he broke his hand and came to me. I asked him, is it paining? No, Swamiji, I am penetrating and looking into the pain. No, I promise, he told me. He did not cry. We could not imagine it is fracture because he did not cry. Our Advait's son, Advaits were shaken because the hand is falling separately. It's a full fracture. That fellow did not cry. But in the hospital, the doctors have put the fear. You may have pain. Then he asked me, will I have pain, Swamiji? I said, do you have now? He said, no. Then how will it come after that? Nonsense. He is telling, I don't have pain. Why are you forcing pain on him? But finally the doctors have forced pain on him. Means he did not have pain, but they put the fear. When he came back, again I have to work with him 2-3 times to remove that idea. You will be shocked. That fellow is telling me, no, I am penetrating. He is not even telling I am. Ishwar is meditating and looking into the pain, whether it exists or not, Swamiji. Literally he said. And the hand is hanging. Not even band-aid is done. I thought, oh God, this is the best time. We should video record it for engineers. But it was too bad, too much, so I did not do. No, its hand is hanging. He is telling, no, Ishwar is meditating and penetrating to see whether there is a pain. the idea about body, right idea about the body should become biomemory. See, if you become already programmed, then immediately we cannot change. We need to only do it step by step. Somebody was telling that they will not take painkiller. Who is that? You should take painkiller. I'll heal you. But you should go through the treatment because you are already programmed for that. Immediately I cannot change you. It takes little time for me. You understand? Ma, tell her to take all the medical care, whatever is required. We'll now start the work. Please listen first, then I'll give the homework. The questions. Few points you need to remember is, your health is the result of all beliefs you have about your body and health. First statement. Second, your muscle memory is programmed with your beliefs. Third, every body part is constantly dying and being born again. Fourth, your biomemory retains all your memories and all newly produced cells are born with this available biomemory. It means what? If you change the new biomemory, when the body is getting produced, the new body will happen. That is what exactly I do with the cancer patients. I just somehow make their muscles believe life is good. Life is beautiful, that's all. Actually, I have seen hundreds of people walking out of cancer. Not what hundreds, even thousands I can say. Nothing, just by 2-3 touch, making their muscle memory believe life is good. Nothing else. Simply they walk out of cancer. Actually, last year I planned a project. Now I am going to do, maybe by the end of this year I will start. We build this 1,000-bed dome for a cancer hospital only. I wanted to create a cancer hospital. All I am going to do is, they will have their regular medication. I will not interfere with that. But in India, the cancer recovery ratio is only 17%. If 100 people are affected, only 17% survive. 17 people only survive. That is India. So many reasons. One, the treatment is costly. Second, very crude. The sophisticated form of radiation, chemotherapy, and all still not available to all the village level. It's a only the very primary level is available to the rural areas. Rural area means towns and villages of India. I think maybe in the cities, little sophisticated treatments are available. And third, somehow the idea, the cancer means death, has gone into Indian psyche. In Indian psyche, it has become programmed. Cancer means over. Death. And so many reasons. People don't recover. Here, I am going to now challenge actually the medical community. At least 60% of the people, I will get them out of cancer. At least 60%. Just this one thing, because I worked thoroughly with this technique. Making the muscle memory believe life is good. That's all, nothing else. And they walk out of the cancer. All I am going to do is, morning satsang, they will sit with me. Evening when I give darshan, energy darshan, they will sit in the hall, nothing else. They don't even need to have darshan, second darshan. Morning sarva darshan they will have. Evening when I give darshan, they will sit. Nothing else. And they will have their regular medical thing. I feel very clearly, within 21 days of treatment, 60% of the people, I planned, I will give a 10 rupee per day, means practically free. Food and stay. Food, anyhow, already we are giving anybody who comes. 10 rupee per bed, that's all. Because if you don't take the 10 rupee, all the fellows who are walking the road will come and sleep. Anybody. You can have your own treatments. That's not a problem. You can continue. We will provide all the arrangements. You have your allopathy, homeopathy, siddha, whatever you want. Just 2, I call this bliss dose. 2 dose of bliss. Usually it takes 15 minutes for a biomemory to feel the vibration of the place where they are sitting. So within 21 minutes, the biomemory will feel that. 21 minutes sitting with me can be called as 1 bliss dose. 2 bliss dose, that's all. I can challenge, at least 60% of the people will come out of cancer.